Jiangsu Rui Medical Technology Company Limited is scale healthcare system solution providers. We focus on patient needs, continuous innovation, close to the clinical needs of people around the world to help improve medical conditions, reduce healthcare costs. So far, our products and solutions are deployed in over 100 countries, welcomed by professional medical and hospital brokers. We are committed to medical products, building cleaning, sanitation, medical care, and comfortable working environment to protect human life and health and safety. In recent years, the company introduction of Germany, Japan company management philosophy, and constantly improve product quality, profit to customers. We are a professional modern enterprise with its own development, R&D, marketing and exporting. Especially, our professional export team gives you efficient solutions, and R&D staffs with more than 20 years experience guarantee our product's quality. At the same time, we put our customers in a very important position, and we seek to exceed their expectations. Superior quality, caring service is as Rui Medical commitment to customers. Sincere guardian of life is a sacred mission of Rui Medical. In the future, such as Rui Medical people are full of passion for innovation practice their mission, focus on hospital needs, provide competitive medical equipment solutions and services, continue to create maximum value for customers,